taking her for a little spin.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Yes, I will. Taking her for a spin to Chattanooga. I got some speed racers coming up behind me. I've got the cruise control set on 82. Everything looks good. Temperatures. Everything's looking good. Oh man, this guy's going to hit me if I don't get out of the way. He's racing with some guys. Anyway, she's got cold air, smooth as silk. I mean, just a freeway machine. But I mean, you know, she's rough around the edges. I had to glue up the little fabric things on the A-pillar. I did better on this one than I did that one. I had to shoot screws in the door handle to get it to stay on. But it's pretty good. I mean, for the money. You remember, I paid $1,100 for this at auction. It needs struts for the rear tailgate. That tailgate weighs 1,000 pounds and will guillotine your ass if not careful. I did discover it does leak a little bit of oil, but it does not make it to the ground. And transmission shifts great, air's cold, everything works on it. Just some broken interior pieces here and there. I've got a bag full of them in the back, just here and there, you know. And it's going to need a rear engine mount, because when you are at idle or at a red light, it just vibrates too badly, too much. It's just got that Volvo 5-cylinder, you know, just gruffy vibration at idle. But out here on the freeway, she's quiet as can be. Let me turn the air down. I've got the air on high. Just smooth as can be. I mean, 185,700 miles. So anyway, yeah, she's not bad. Sweet little cruiser.